can always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're going to be bringing you guys another hype drop video. If you guys do plan on using this website, make sure you are 18 and over. This is the main disclaimer that I do want to bring to you guys, because that way you won't be spending nobody's money that you shouldn't be spending, you feel me? And I don't want you guys to make an irrational decision. Without any further ado, man, if you do end up enjoying this video, leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you do want to enter in a giveaway where I'll be giving away a Supreme Eternal tee from last season. But let's get straight into this video. So before we go ahead and open any mystery boxes online, I actually did receive my package from the last video and I was leaving it to open it in this video for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. I did open it to make sure everything was straight, but I already knew everything was good. And here we do got the tee that I got last time, and it was the Madonna tee. But I do want to show y'all one thing. They actually did give me the receipt, and it is from Urban Necessities, which is actually pretty cool. Y'all can see right there. And here we do got the tee, and this shit is hard, bruh. I always wanted the tee from last season, but I never got it. We got a Stock X tag right here, and we got the Urban Necessities tag right here. I don't know if y'all heard, but Urban Necessities is actually opening a store in New York, so shit is litty. Right here we do got this Madonna tee, way better than the one from this season in my opinion. This tee right here is for the personal. This shit is way too fire to let go. I always wanted this and I'm glad I got it. This is one of the more fire colorways to me personally. I do like the black one because it pops a lot, but this blue with the reddish tone on the picture definitely looks nice in my opinion as well. You cannot go wrong with this right here. Like, let me know what y'all think about this piece. It's obviously 100% authentic. It has Stock X tags and Urban Necessities tags. Literally double checking it. I'll let y'all see the tag right there, you feel me? You can definitely feel that it's authentic. 100% clean in my opinion. I am feeling this one and I'm glad I got it in the collection. But without any further ado, man, y'all already know what it is. Let's get straight into this video. So like I was saying before, you do have to be 18 and over in order to even use this website. I do love stressing that when I do make this type of video, because I don't want you guys to get into something that you don't want to be into. I'm obviously over 18 and that's the only reason that I'm even using this website right here. But I am going to show you guys how to enter money if you do choose to use the website. You got to go ahead and go to top up right here. Once you're there, there's gift cards available. You can use cryptocurrency or EcoPays, which is basically debit cards and shit like that. Honestly, I would go with the gift cards because they do have PayPal to back it and it's a more secure way of doing it. If I were to use a website like this, I would definitely go the PayPal route. So obviously you choose whatever gift card provider you want to use. You deposit as much money as you want to go ahead and use as well, and then bang, you're in. Once we're into the website, we're gonna go ahead and choose whatever box you want to go ahead and open. Now for me, I don't know as of yet what I'm gonna end up going for. I'm gonna probably do a Supreme box and an Adidas box, but they do have some new boxes like this GHD box, which looks like to be makeup. I'm not doing all that. They could hold that. They got the PC Master box, also not about to do that. Honestly, bruh, I'm gonna start off strong. I'm gonna go ahead and go for this Adidas box first. Bang, let's go ahead and see what they got in this box. You got some Yeezys, obviously, all throughout it. You got all types of Yeezys. You got Pharrell Human Races. There's a lot of different things you could go ahead and win, and the minimum thing you could get is a $25 gift card. That is steep as shit. Let's go ahead and go to a different box real quick. Let's check this Supreme box. What's the minimum you could get from this? I don't know. There's way more things to get from here. I think I'm gonna go with the Supreme box to start off. Purchase the box, open the box. Let's see what we get right here. Come on, son, give me something good. Give me some good. Nah, oh nah, we got some socks, my G. The socks are worth $54 though, so that's not too much of a loss. I lost like what, $5? Not bad. I'ma hold that. I'm gonna go ahead and open another one of these real quick. I'm down to $81. Holy shit. Open this box. I'm feeling lucky about this one. Hopefully we get something good real quick. Come on, son. Some more socks. I got 2 packs of socks. Who needs all these socks? I don't need this many socks. And I just said socks hella times, but I don't need these socks. I'm trying to tell you. I'm gonna open some little boxes real quick to see if my luck changes. You feel me? Let's open this $8 PlayStation box. I'm gonna make sure I leave $60. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, damn. I think I sold the socks that I had got by mistake. Fuck. Oh well, I'm gonna go ahead and open the Adidas box real quick. Hopefully this isn't my demise. Let's go ahead and open this joint. All I need is, give me some, bruh. $50 gift card. What in the fuck? I'm gonna open the $60 Supreme box. Hopefully I don't get no socks, bruh, cause I'm gonna be tight. Let's get it. Come on, bro. Don't give me no socks. Like, why, bro? I got a keychain, my G. Just give me the socks at this point, bro. I would have took it. Fuck it. Let's open this $8 PlayStation box. Let's see what we get from here. I know that there's people that actually get really lucky on this website. That's why I keep trying this shit, because I want to get some heat. But so far, it hasn't done me justice. I feel like my day will come. It will come, bro. Don't get it twisted. Let's open this box. See what we get from this PlayStation box. I had to. I literally had, oh, that's not a loss. That's not a loss. That's a $12 item right there. I'm gonna take it in stride, you feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and open, what, 3 NMD boxes? I don't even think I can do that. I could open like 2 of these shits. Word, I could open 2 of these shits. Let's go ahead and get it. What they about to give me? Some shoelaces? No. An NMD sticker, bro? That's a W, low key. It's $3. I'm gonna take that. Let's open another one. Come on, son. Some laces. Some fucking laces. I'm gonna sell the laces and open the box again. Let's get this box litty titty real quick. See what we get from this last box. Some more laces. They really want me to have some laces and some socks, but they got it all the way twisted. Like, no, bruh. I'm about to exchange all this shit that I just got. This is actually the best I've done so far. I got a 158, which is not that much of a deficit. I feel like eventually I will win some heat. Mark my words, I will win some heat eventually, bruh. I have to, like, it's just mandatory, bruh. I have to, bruh. I'm gonna win some shit eventually, bruh, but we gonna go ahead and exchange all this shit in here. I don't need none of this shit right here, bro. Let's exchange all of it and see what we could get. I feel like I'm gonna cut this off and I'm gonna show y'all what I get afterwards, because I'm gonna probably have to go through a 20-minute process to even find something that I like. Not because they don't have a lot of items, but because there's a lot of shit to choose from. I'll be getting shit messed up. Like, I don't know, bro. It just be taking me hella long to choose some shit. I'm gonna go through some of these things with y'all. There's socks because I put it from low to high, but we do got these Supreme beanies right here. I'm good on that. Let me check what sneakers they got, bro, because I might be able to get some kicks. I'm not, nope, I don't, nah. I got the Calabasas, I'm gooch on that. I got those Easters, which are so dummy in my opinion. They do got some heat up here, but I'm not even trying to do all that. So let's go to streetwear and see what we could scoop up from here. I'm gonna go to like around the price range that I'm at with it, which is like 150 to 160. That's where I'm gonna go to and see what they got down there. They got a Bape tee, the Supreme group tee. I could get a BOGO beanie, that's not bad. Shit, I might get a Box logo beanie, honestly. Yeah, I'm not trying to deposit no money, so I'm good on that. I might get a Box logo beanie, bruh. They got the Liquid Swords tee in black. I don't even know if I want that, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know what I end up choosing. I'm gonna see what's my best bet, and then I'll let y'all know and we'll exit this video. But if y'all did end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave a like down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Please leave a like on this video. It definitely does support the channel in the long run, and it would mean a lot to me. But go ahead and click that Gleam link at the top of the description if you want a chance to win the Supreme Eternal tee from last season. And I guess I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. So it's low-key after the video right now, and I wanted to let y'all know that this site is actually really provably fair, because I've played 3 times so far and I haven't gotten no crazy shit. Like, I've lost money, but not like to the extreme degree where I like literally lose half my profits. I've lost like around 40-50 bucks, and I feel like if you lose that much but eventually end up getting like some bangers, like people have won some crazy shit on there for real, like some Oreo Yeezys, literally 750s, like crazy shit. And I've actually seen it, and it's from people who are sponsored, but once again, they have taken a lot of L's before that W. So you could kind of like, the main thing that I didn't like about mystery brand is that literally you lose twice and then you get some insane shit, which is not realistic. Like, there has to be a possibility of getting it, but you can't get it after 2 boxes, you feel me? Like, for me, I feel like if I do 5-6 of these videos, then I get some sneakers, it's kind of worth it in the long run. But I hope y'all feel what I'm saying right there. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Like I said, y'all already know. Peace.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.